calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Jamaican, you got about 18 jobs. And you live speaker box.
I know the greatest sound, majesty sound, man. You hear me, red man, big up yourself, man. See? You hear me DJ the line, I say nothing, you know, because you don't know, say DJ, man, say the man in the ramp, and them come out in, and you hear me crucial, big up, man. See? The whole majestic crew, man. See? Martin Jr. it's us represent. What do you money with I? Kiss last year. Yeah. Rastafari. King Mary say that free water way.
See guys, station identification, the money seen on the building.
Free money.
Full Lauderdale, you ready?
Nicing up the dance, whoa. He that sound I get this strong. Majesty sound and I stand to front. I give the youth no guns to dance now. Do you ever make a circle?
Down a sunrise, I hear before.
Not to mention it.
Other buildings, I'm popping those in.
Majesty brave, fear so may I go die.
The station identification, we need. Think on Shirley, tell a friend. Lauderdale Sound Fest, kick off. Easy money love, we're there.
No sound of rock, no talk no better than Majesty sound. No sound of rock, no talk no better than this one. No sound of rock, no talk no better than Majesty sound. No sound of rock, no talk no better than this one. A song is gonna die, why? Die tonight, why? I fell in love with Majesty sound, the champion sound. All of the idiot sound, them have to run out of town. Oh. Because no sound of rock, no talk no better than Majesty sound. No sound of rock, no talk no better than this one. No sound of rock, no talk no better than Majesty sound. No sound of rock, no talk no better than sound.
If I talk about the marriage,
he that some boy from town or country. Don't try to test my sound. No. Majesty sound. Stand your home. You could have come from Rima or you come from John. Could have come from Firehouse or you come from Tower.
one song.
A Majesty sound. Even though you could have come from Libya or you come from America. Could have come from Europe, you come from Africa. One song. A Majesty sound. You could have be an Irishman or an Englishman. You could have be a Mexican or with a Pakistan.
Think our record come in, Sound Fest, we're there, with me.
And I hear the song can play Jonah with the Majesty, you don't know. Turn on that top song. I hear the song, because he don't know what trap.
Pick up the whole world logging on right now.
Sha-la-la.
Pick up the whole New York.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
California.
Sha-la-la-la-la.
Pick up all my Caribbean people there, with me.
Majesty love. So no upsets. I select to the behind it. Stand your point. So no upsets. I select to the behind it. Hear this. Majesty sound ever fit. Fit, Majesty sound ever fit. Fit.
What Mr. Maxim ever
Smart. Majesty sound ever smart.
I'm gonna go there down on Paul.
We live at the morning, that's alright.
We make Starlight Ballroom. Mr. Rock, I'm coming with them tune there.
Fit. Majesty girl.
I wanna eat nothing, what I eat now.
Oh.
I'm not lying. It rained all the day. And now the sun come out. I want this gun.
Every time Majesty I play, the massive drum is swinging sway. Wave your hand to the ruling sound. Majesty.
God bless people, we're there. Bless you. Bless
We got there to play Majesty out. Let's have a specially play so good.
Yes, I'm jumping on.
And bless all the dance all Majesty. Hallelujah.
Sometimes it's not a thought.
With me. Think our rock, I'm coming, we're there. What we're there?
Sometimes it's not a thought.
I say, you're playing with the Majesty.
Sound. Your little sound boy, it's not your time to play like all the sound
But
boy.
I like for the song I beat, right, Jimmy?
I just play about you. Just you, little sound boy. We gonna go for like the sound boy.
The next artist about to play.
Oh yeah.
The next artist about to play is gonna tell what we're doing tonight. What we're there for?
Well, here I am.
I said the Majesty playing with
just when they thought dubs would set them free. Majesty, kill one more for me.
Right now,
we're playing.
I want to be a big artist. It's not feeling too well right now. So right now, I want to be a big artist. Ding, go. On the Milo, you know. A sweet cocoa,
Tune in, majesty sounding of the Lord.
We say Israel, your artist.
Sounding of the Lord. That's it, tune in, majesty sound of the nice man song. Boy, tune in, with the nights of the Lord. Yes.
Somewhere I can oh well now, oh Lord of His mercy, some boy you run up in a trouble.
We are making the final, say what?
So many some boys wanna see you stop murdering some, but we won't. So many some boys wanna see majesty stop murdering some. Murder them again, we say for murder them. Murder them with rubber selection, majesty. Murder them again, we say for murder them. Murder them with rubber selection, cause. And then your mama can't help you when we play. Your daddy can't help you when the majesty of fling down selection.
Your friend McGregor,
tell
the West what?
Come round. Yes, this is brand new, coming from Majesty crew, yeah. Oh Lord, Majesty, the ruler sound. Oh,
what we acting here, right?
what's the meaning? Oh Lord, Majesty, the champion.
What do you mean?
The ruling sound, we're ruling.
See how rocker coming, we're not rushing off us. What do you mean? Early kick off. Jump back, we're there. You know what?
Turn the track. Majesty sound. Oh, Majesty sound is body down our sound. Majesty sound just throw us someone down. If anyone should ask you who's Majesty, tell them
Pick up the hard talking family.
forever killing.
Pick up this shop shot. City Lanes.
Majesty, you killed you all the world.
Majesty sound and rule. So why wanna school? 20 days ago.
So Majesty is here again.
When the dub explode.
Women.
Now the sun goes missing.
I said
Another jump and gone. Majesty sound is.
Pick up rocker coming, we're there.
20 days are gone.
Don't make. Hey, look on the crowd.
Looking back and taking stock on all those around. Majestic beat out in the street. I saw
Hey, Lucy, what we after people there?
oh, many times we beat, somebody never have it easy.
But here what?
When Majesty touch
But here
the
what?
street, somebody.
Question time now. Question time.
I know Vasco, I know Faro. Majesty knows what's going on.
To the late grade. I'm breaking.
I know Vasco, someone knows.
Boys to the late grade with the break ball himself.
Majesty knows what's going on. Red man just jump on and jump and sound it. Tonight we gonna murder them in a dancehall style. Oh, when Majesty start to kill, why rock the wheel? Gone in a different style.
Hey, Frankie Bob, it's an early push-off, so tell the world so what?
Look at my sound.
What we represent, Frankie?
Yeah, Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, them all got down. Oh, alright.
No, don't rush it, don't rush it.
I know Vasco.
Don't rush it, don't rush it.
I know Vasco.
Hey, Frankie Bob,
My baby, I know.
we have some people on the road.
How did you get here? No other time supposed to be here. Now you try to put Majesty again. See what the light says, no. No
was all supposed to be here. Now you inside the flash again.
Pull up. Think of Fort Lauderdale Sound Fest. Yeah, tell a friend, log on to YouTube, Majesty Sound page on YouTube. Alright? Tell a friend, say, yo, Sound Fest kick off, the Majesty Sound are playing, and everything is alright. You get me? I said? And like I said, look out for the big clashes that fall here in Fort Lauderdale. If you're far away, catch on a plane, catch a Spirit, catch a JetBlue, catch a Delta, make your way down here. Because I would like to tell you, as you can see, it is hot as hell down here. Alright? And South Florida. That's how we get down, that's how we roll around here. Alright? Anyway, T-Car, early push up.
I just the sound, man. Sound on the move, you see. We also want man, big up yourself for now, so watching the DJ Delight. Parents, Matrix. TJ Max, you know that's something I'm going on. We see the real sound, the small people, we tell them to watch out. We say big up Florida, we have to send me around the whole globe. And that's what we think we are global. So you might come, hey, execution style. How you mean? How them? Make we slow them. Pack them sound away. Now Majesty saints and we got no comes to look back. Majesty is looking for a better day.
Everybody big time shit.
We're looking for a
this together. Family.
There's nothing about sound. Majesty, you turn them into clowns. For it's the only thing gonna chill them song by brain.
This artist is be around here no.
How you killing
This artist is be around here enough time. Really?
Majesty of murder, trumpet song.
You gotta go up there to Jack Studio, you know? Sanchez be chill around here. Go out there, you know what? Hey!
No, they think the Majesty is a toy, but we are gonna beat them like a boy. And now I know they know a real killer sound. The Majesty will always roll them down. Don't try to test with, don't try to do it. If you try to do it, your life you will lose it. Majesty will make a climb. Majesty may it was raining to sky.
Raining Friday. Oh, there Friday to rain. This morning to rain. All of a sudden rain stopped.
I just jump out when you see the game. Jump out, Majesty Sound overall. I just jump out.
He's a red man.
See the sunshine. Jump out, Majesty Sound every time. I just jump out when you see the game fall. Majesty Sound overall. I just jump out when you see the moonshine. Jump out.
Kill that sound boy over the sunset. What a eat away you think away you sleep. Majesty, nothing but no freak. Yo. What a eat away you think away you sleep.
Check me out.
Kill sound left back.
I Fort Lauderdale. We say ganja station.
What a eat away you think away you sleep.
Ganja can rise, you know?
Yes, I them a freak. Yo.
I'm a ganja man at Fort Lauderdale, you know?
Just sleep.
I'm a ganja man there, you know what?
Hey, Majesty
Shoeshine.
Majesty and a burning ganja pipe. Some sound contest and no said that no right.
On the bright.
Top better kick from left to right. And fool some sound fool when them walk up start to fly. Whoa, Majesty too tough. Ooh,
Hey, guys.
we don't smoke no cocaine.
Bingo.
To mess up the brain. Smoke up the real thing. Don't give me no crack, you keep that thing, but that we don't wanna crack. Don't give me no crack, you keep that thing, but that we don't wanna crack. Don't give me no crack, you keep that thing, but that we don't wanna crack. We're too right.
Majesty Sound, I am no white god. No makes me anything wrong. With a white that save us from white man oppression, I am no white god. It's just a black messiah. Of a white god that bless you, him not bless. Hey, I am no white god. Don't you feel anything?
dead. In a take nothing for we shut off.
What are we after what?
But in the ready for clash yet, boy. And have to wait for one that will make that good. Capone in the place about some blood clot run.
If the mass again.
Blood a go run, God. But in the ready for clash yet, boy. If I wanna pull up yourself praise. Big clash day about the sound of blaze. Not even a miracle for me.
Big old rock coming with that, wait a minute.
Up and shot them in them say, hey, hey. Have to wait for them to talk when they crash down.
Majesty Sound. This is the rude boy's choice. Majesty Sound.
Play what?
Stop, sound of that overthrow. Kill them in the sunshine or kill them in the snow. No, this is the turbo's choice. Majesty Sound, you push the vibe. Stop, sound of that overthrow. Kill them in the sunshine and dump them in the dead. No untouchable, no pushable. Touch me and you in a trouble.
Pull up. Cause we don't want to be there, you know. And I Fort Lauderdale was saying, you know, Fort Lauderdale Sound Fest. You know what? 5 more minutes on, you know? Keep it the ball rolling. Keep things on time. You get me? I said? City Links is ready. Alright? 5 more minutes, we finna play. Like my Floridian friends say, finna play, dawg. I'm finna play about 5 more minutes, Dre. You know what I'm saying, dawg? Yo, we having fun around here, South Florida. If you've never been here, South Florida, get on the plane, make your way here, alright? It's now all about palm trees and beaches around here, alright? Some dope plates on 45 around here, alright? Anyway, think on all up. Don't let me call Red Man, you know. River!
DJ appearance. Whole of Florida, the whole of St. Near likewise. Run that, come on.
Look at your sound, I can tell you're gonna die. Majesty murdered him. Hey. Shed a tear. Majesty sound is worth it, you see. For where the top.
Don't forget. Big Light Promotion presents Rhythm Force versus top tier. Audio by Majesty Sound. And it's August 6th, 2 sound like a day.
Kill them on them dead row.
Kill them like dogs and jungle.
Oh, them dead row. Majesty I go kill them fish again. Send them on them dead row.
Yeah, don't get it twisted.
Like dogs and jungle.
Don't get it twisted. You come around a gun ride.
Danger zone, and the battlefield, them sound of real. We are gonna kill them on the danger zone, and the battlefield. What sound can you, them are gonna feel? Kill them on the danger zone, and the battlefield.
Yes, we juggle.
Majesty Sound,
yes, we have a sound team.
Kill them on the danger.
One more time, we need to like upset. We need names to like, when call you?
Sound murderer, love the power shoulder. Kill sound today, we going to kill sound tomorrow. Murder, sound catch a fun.
Hey, Buju, what we are? What we are?
Some could hide from man. You don't know them countries. Them on the figures, I'm gonna drink the wine of finance. Let them try be conquered by the circle. Why when them disobey? I tell you no, we watch through the vine.
Big up my phone on the ganja man there.
Jah we witness.
Easy dollar bill.
Evidence, Majesty make the passing it down the fields. Jump over wall and rip me patch. Majesty Sound man, big on that.
What time you call we?
Majesty are the driver, so we can't stop at all. Around Majesty come to run dance hall. Driver, black survivor.
Hey, Buju, what we are? What we are?
How we are?
Telephone and I sing on
you just reach responders. About some boy you Bible watch and dump it down and shoot it. At life, feel like you don't turn
Big up Melrose.
Felix and you big as
You know what Fort Lauderdale, Deerfield, Pompano. You know what Miami too, West Palm Beach. This is a place.
Now you know they get to where the poor have a thing.
And the politician is the ones them a bring. Lord, and the crack and coke cannot support the killing. Majesty, I want destiny, what we tell them? My body is weak, my heart is burning. I want a phone of rice, but can't find a shilling. Can't buy the chicken back, much less the chicken. Turn left and right, still a gunshot a flame. Everywhere me go is wicked song them a sing. No hear me no queen, hear me no kings. All over this world, local and foreign. Look and white, me no prejudice.
Pull up. Well, Selassie I will. Hey, run it. Here what? One more tune, you know what I say? Because it's early kickoff, you know? But right now, I want to big up everybody in the building right now. TrendSetta, big up Ronnie, Body Song, you know what I say? Big up Hard Target, big up Debo, big up Money Love, big up Disruption Crew, TrendSetta family, Dre. And just yesterday, you know, Dre, from 19 no long. Big up my whole Dillard family. We are Panther for life, Black Panther, you know what I say? And big up Sean, respect for the place, you know what I say? And big up my cousin Owen. And big up the whole of my family, and big up my brother Shuka Shine. Because he's one of the good reasons why we're doing this, you know what I say? And big up the whole of Fort Lauderdale, that will say. Right, read up the light, what do you want?
Ooh, yeah. Family, majesty.
We
say family. Hey. If I want to meet a friend, killer.
No, we don't leave a
friend.
Hey, Debo, what we say?
Family, you know the bump Latina, you we say family.
We love you, family.
Them to me, ooh, yeah. Family,
hey, majesty.
We say family. If I want to meet a friend killer, me no believe in a friend killer. Family, you know the bump Latina, you we say family. You know me famo them to me heart. Who do the earth, one of them will kill you to the end of the family start. Real better them.
We don't know who we know.
We are by 3 sardines and 1.
Big up Jimmy. From 19 along, we know Jimmy now. From 19th Street. The first time I see Jimmy, I love you on Byron. What we tell some more?
I do a must make it no parents.
No. What my brother there?
Red man. No all of the pussy them.
See the light.
No fucking real. I make them treat me and kill me. No way. You must see blood glamour.
Be a man.
See the greatest sound that me no left God and me no left my God. Can't treat me and kill me. No way. You must see blood glamour. Life are the greatest thing that me no left God and me no left.
Pull up. Wheel. That was it. Like, give one sound effect. The majesty, you know. Oh, no, that one. Anyway, close the laptop. Yeah, we don't want a man's spine that we think too tough, you know. But yeah, what? Getting ready to play right now is Bally from the City Links family. Press a sample now. Touch it now. Touch a button now. Touch it now. Yeah, man. Somebody want. Hold on. Hey, what? We're getting ready to introduce Bally City Links, alright? Hold on, give you a, hold on. Check. Hold is a talk-a-phone right here. No, I'm have to enter, you know what I mean? Talk to you and all that good stuff.
Yeah, you know I'm not an MC.
It's alright, you should have told your MC before.
Alright, no. Let's change the vibe. What's your MC now?
Yeah. Go and talk.
Introduce to the world.
Introduce to the world. Yeah. Introduce it to the world.
Father Links, hold on, man.
Father Links. Hold on, sure. But it's still interviewing. Now, City Links Sound. What year did City Links start? What year did the Foundation Sound start? God. Go ahead.
The Foundation?
Yeah, what year did the sound start, man?
Well, the sound started early, then it paused, and then we...
My pause?
It paused.
Yeah, they're like, engineer, fix up the thing. Yeah, they're like, man, you know. But anyway, you were saying. So what year did the sound start?
Original, we started voicing, I would say...
You gotta talk it to the microphone.
Wait a minute.
Talk it to the microphone. Yeah, like that.
Yo, engineer, done this up now. Not a business that, man.
Yeah.
Sabotage,
yeah. I want to from my own song.
Well, the sound thing for me,
yeah.
The City Links song wasn't me DJing. What song you want?
Whenever you started your City Links song, when did you start the City Links?
I started City Links in 96. I started voicing, then I stopped. And then I started back in 2003.
2003, alright. What was your first song clash?
Official song clash?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
You can't remember?
No, bro.
Oh, okay. All right. What was your last song clash?
2021.
All right. Who did you clash? Who did you kill?
Who did I kill?
Yeah.
They're already dead. We can't call the name.
Which duppy did you duppy up?
Killed 3 in one time, lock off. And the same 2 out of the 3, I crashed them 1 and 1 and got them off. Engineer, fix up this thing on my youth. No, man, this stuff.
Turn the speaker. All right. Go ahead. Listen. I have to engineer my own songs sometimes.
Yo.
No, man, engineer, all right, Richard.
Yeah, man, but things and things. Watch it out. Yeah, ask interview on the phone. Bye, you.
Yeah, right. Delight, Red Man wants to talk to you.
Oh, shit.
All right, here we go. Play some tune. We're going to tune up some things and we'll give you the interview later on. But introduce it to the world. Citylink Sound. We are seven, friend.
Sure. Alright, first and foremost, Father God give you thanks and praise for letting us be here today. Yes, may I say, majesty, big up yourself. Show shine. Show shine. Show it.
King of kings, of the dance floor, Citylink's rules and reign. And ascribe to you dominion over and grace. Through all the years and years to come, Citylink's run the place. It's me and it's a Citylink's sound play. There's that job play. Citylink's need to feel. It's me again, Jack. As I listen to Citylink's sound play. There's that job play. Make some songs through the way. So look around, it's house today. God in you.
Yes, Luciano.
Pharisees.
Yeah, man, go on there.
Taking up in vain. But I know you control our destiny. You are blessing. From yesterday, even today.
Oh, I lift up my hands to City. Yes. Cause he can jump on. Citylink to put food on my table. Yes, it made my heart to stop. Citylink will kill you song. Jump and song, but you should know. Hallelujah. Praise his name. Hallelujah. The Citylinks of the faith. Hallelujah. Night and day. Hallelujah.
Yes, somebody early push out. Sax on the machine, my brother. Citylink's gotta go. What's on that building? Listen, yeah, what?
There are lots of sounds in life. Some that you may not like. You could be living this minute. The next minute you're gone away somewhere. Play a big dog, now Citylink. Murder jump on, now Citylink. And by your doubts you should surely be paid. I love that. I never tried this, the sound with the under. Citylink, who's got the title. One who sits hanging, he looks down low. And if you ever this, the sound with the under. The sound who's got the title. You'll be someone that he don't know.
Hey, my land, Mr. Rankin. Citylink's sound. No try test the champion sound. Hey, Citylink, you murder your sound. Hey, my land, Mr. Rankin.
Yeah, man, early push out. Citylink's for the door. Let's make a clap out.
Citylink's sound.
Yes, somebody ready?
No try test the champion sound. Hey, Citylinkk, we murder your sound. No he that no play sound. Where Citylinkk coming from? Oh, we know well. Check out the champion sound. The Citylinkk sound. Oh, yes, oh, yes. We're not gonna take no disrespect on how he that sound. Why? Should we no hole and that's the town, yes. The Citylinkk something left.
Hey, no, so I myself. We are just going to read off the machine show here. Citylink's in the building.
Oh well, Citylink's a play. Murder someone night or day.
Big up yourself, my brother.
Fire burn a week out, and then free time. You don't never get to die. So they try to I played up for so long in a competition, and them could not get away. A job they stole away, how many lives them slay? Now they work to slap them in them face. Fire, yes, them and them song can go to well, cause the links, you know, under them colonial spell.
Let me see a whole power there, and a whole pass of bread there, no. Big up all my brother on the floor.
Citizens, citizens.
Big up everybody that pass through, run through. Support that something out.
Killing a jump and I will never run away. Killing a sober, taking links when I go play. Killing a jump and to keep us on the way. In this sound class war, in this final war.
I'm not telling you now, rush machine, that's it. Early ball game, we just pick up a match. Watch your ball later.
City links we see from afar.
Hear this! Well, I catch you juggling. Yeah, catch you juggling. Money!
Doesn't matter what you play down some as long as you're not playing right, you're gonna lose tonight, guy. When you try to come take city links time and try to come take body crown, you will get thrown down.
Yeah, but we're not rushing like this. We don't all like females and from so.
We give them a seed about justice, and that's some boy keep the bucket.
That's it.
My dance all up all night and long. City links to them a fraud. So we give them a seed about justice, and that's some boy keep the bucket. My dance all up all night and long. City links to them a fraud. Kill them as them come, kill them.
Think about that people from South Florida.
You're hurting me too bad.
Big up all the people from South Florida, from South Florida. All the people may check in right now. All the people may visit from New York. You have some people are flying from far for that something. I'm not telling you lie. Yes, me I say, show it. Like me I say again, brother. You made that something possible. But let's kick off the machine.
Will kill. Oh no. Oh yeah.
Let me see what the pass over the ground enough. Later on. Talk to the bird.
You're hurting me too bad. You're killing me.
Alright, ready now.
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know your little sound was in danger. So much danger. Mating silly, not listening good. Running off your face, and now you can't find your selector. What a disaster, yes.
Yep.
You never listen up good one.
Alright, we know so somebody must have somebody in that jail. The man who wants to get that cure free. The man who wants to get that free from over captivity. Play that song to me.
City links.
Play that song to the ball.
City links.
The man who wants to get that free from captivity. Get cure.
Divide and rule is the holy plan. The holy plan. City links the folded. To let them overcome. City links are king. In this circus, city of so wide. And we stand up, we see some company fall. Someone scramble, oh, wonder.
Early stage.
City links are playing.
Ready again. Alright. Watch out for that.
Inside this road, city links running. Inside this day, city links are gonna murder you. Killing sound of play. City links are gonna slaughter you. City links can kill yourself anytime they want. Rock up the woodman sound around the jungle and sounds of sound. Big sound. Hear me. It's gonna be rough, yeah. Help me.
Yeah, so the voice like Jimmy Riley.
Look out, sound boy.
It's
room, I get warm, you know.
Links is the champion. You better believe City Links will murder your champion.
Remember the tune I play until the old bass out there, come on.
All this time rocking, he wears the crown.
Big up all the early people that work on rights right now.
City Links, no
single.
Not so shocking, rocking, murder your sound. Sound white. Use this dog plate body kick. I figure he sound.
Let me have some of the ladies like him. So what about Sanchez?
You say you wanna test City Links sound.
Yeah.
You want us to clash together, but City Links beat you badly, and they send you home to mama. City Links will kill you sound. City Links will throw you.
Big up all the girls over there, so proud. Miss Flo, so proud of ladies. We now stop big up. Big up yourselves. It's me say, City Links for the girl got an early push off. Early push off. Not started. Believe me, man. Hey.
So when you go, you want one, let's do a full stop to run out your face and come test City Links sound. Yeah.
Believe me, man.
Yes, sound. Let's keep on your own, so you're like, you think I'm the woman in a hurry.
Yes, sir.
City Links can't kill me the sound.
What up?
Just to shut you down. Oh, yeah. So any guy want what I do, I pull stuff and run off your face and confess. City Links sound.
Ready? Alright, push up.
Just the tune like a band. Oh, na 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 na, yeah, yeah.
We're going to take it at some different style right now. It's me, I say, watch a lady, watch a lady.
A word from the wise, you will not live to see some.
Watch a little juggling now, watch a juggling now.
City Links, I got kill your sound tonight. Somehow your soul will be lost. You've met the end of your day, yes. Because a big brother plays City Links sound not played, yeah. Well done, examination was the chosen way of life, yes.
Let me have some big all the talks in for the girl.
Jump and sound of only delight. And I jump and sound that get conquered. It can never be replaced. Yeah, this big bad sound and then in display.
Hey, oh, Tyrone, take your time and come in.
Jump and sound, classic.
All the hard-working people, but that matter about right now.
City Links come to murder.
All the hustlers, them. I know.
We are murder, jump and sound, boy, in dance song. City Links sound come to kill them all. We come to murder some boys. We killing jump and sound from near and far. Them can't the City Links in a lyrical war. From a little dance song on the hill, way down west in Negril, City Links sound. We're murdering all jump and sounds. No idiot can diss me. Don't play, we have them enough and 16 plenty. Call them on up on the phone. Tell them my idiot sound boy won't come out. No, we are murder jump and sound boy in dance song. City Links sound, we come to murder them all. We come to kill
Yo, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about that song. You see that song? Yeah? We play international artists, you know. We play local artists. But right now, I'm going on a different level. International message.
I mean, I say your City Links champion sound. I mean, I say your ranking.
Yeah, I couldn't know something about that song because a long time I don't hear it on the broken.
City Links sound I play.
Big up all of sound regiment for the broken. Smell top boats. Yes.
City Links sound.
Spice and yapping. Raps.
City Link Sound from around the way.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. We keep sound every day.
Let me say, God, international notes.
Play big dubs all the while.
Big up the promoter, big life, big up myself, Richard.
The guys are not done. And I sold my violate.
Hey, Mr. Banana, pass.
Later on. And I sold my get up like in the eyes. Gunshot in the eyes. Right between the eyes.
Big up all the hustlers, Big up all the people who know who you start from nothing to something. And that me a talk about. Everybody, but me blow something, man. You're not telling me time on creep, you see me I say? Then later on.
In the dance hall, City Link is playing fine.
Chut.
And then the selector is laying back. While you sound roll and you act like you know about City Link Sound. This one just can't cut. That's the big bed sound of only rays. Nowadays with love killing sounds. Yeah. My sound is a sound will never fail. City Link suggests you pack up and walk away. It's how I am myself. To know one day, because no one hurt you at all, not even. Somehow you have no pride.
Alright, that's the time of job. You see that tune I'm going to play now? Like me I say, and him make it possible, show it. Big up yourself, my brother. I'm from Tala time, you see me I talk about, so all I want right now, we are going to pay a tribute to my brother. Rest in peace, you.
From the bottom of their heart, Rowan and Bali, you know, say them and they miss you dearly. Reminiscing on the good times when we used to have fun and party. You're my brother, even though you're gone, still a brother. Always in our heart, you're a brother. Everywhere I walk, whoa, 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 whoa. J-Star say miss you when I body my ball, but shoes I want to know if you hold on. Anywhere you are, we know you still a hear music. We number one selector when you be there and you run the area. Whoa, spring water, I represent the City Links. Condolences to the family. Yeah, whoa.
Big up, brother. Hello, part of the brother.
Spring water said,
show shot.
Go on, keep it same way, my brother. You don't know, you know. You're gone, but you're still in our yard. You see? Rastafari.
Nobody, mom, what's it? We sing ta-na-na-na, City Link sing ta-na-na-na. Oh, City Link, oh yeah, murder soon, boy. Talk about souls, talk about doors.
Yeah.
City Link and murder soon, boy. Forevermore.
murder some sound. Kill them a country and murder them a town. But some dap, some playing free. But it's a link. Alright.
Yeah. Up the road.
Some dap, some.
You see buy some time on it.
What's it the link?
Your money tall.
Alright. Send guns now, put them nowhere. The pussy says ladder with them a set. Don't bend down, just lead them to the ground. After the committee girls them fun. Kill some sound and let them know. Kill some sound and out before. Hold your corner, save your life. Cause we come to take life. No. Tin pan sound can test. No. Jump and sound don't try.
Big up all that people when I touch it. Yes, me I say big up all that people when I support that stuff me. Majesty so big up yourself.
Yeah.
Pass on there now. I'm on a King TrendSetta. It's a hard target. Alright.
Yeah, hard target.
Alright.
Last one.
Them days, rumba them sounded. City links are kill them deadly. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is City links are that. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is City links are that.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, Soundfest live from the city of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, United States. You know what I mean? Big up to everybody on the stream right now. We have a lot of people on the stream right now. We did have some audio issues earlier, but we're all good. So big up to everybody in Jamaica right now, locked and live, Guyana locked and live, all the islands. We got people in England right now. And you know what? I know it's gotta be some sound guys out there. I'm gonna watch my parade, I'm gonna watch the Fort Lauderdale Sound there. I told you, Fort Lauderdale is a lot bigger than what anybody thinks. Alright, so before we move on to the next song, let's big up Big Life Entertainment in the building. The big clash coming up, Mr. Floyd, Big Life, come, line up, man. Forward, look on the shirt, man, for real. What you got going on? You announce your own flyer. We don't do that. You read your own flyer. 2 more drinks. give me the flyer. Hey,
Delight, I mean, you're not on the headphone.
We have to fix that. We'll fix that. Something wrong with it. We fix it, but don't worry. Anyway.
No, don't worry. We have to hear something.
Alright, we'll fix that after. Alright, we're going to talk first. People that want to know about. Alright, let's talk about King TrendSetta first.
Alright.
It was TrendSetta and then you get the word King after because you win some clash. But let's start from the beginning. How did King TrendSetta transpire? How did everything kind of get rolling?
Well, first of all, we was on Fahrenheit, you know that. In the 90s.
I know that?
Yeah. You know that.
Oh, you don't kill that already. But go ahead.
You never killed Fahrenheit.
Go ahead. Talk.
But anyway, 2004, November, well, October 29th, King TrendSetta band. See? Inside Banana Boat. Jiggy Fridays.
Yeah?
Yeah. And that's the band.
Alright, and since then.
So big up Garnet, Wizard.
That's right. Banana Boat reunion next month.
Yeah, man, that's it, man.
So hold on. Who was the first sound you ever killed?
First sound I ever killed was, I would say, Music Maker, Big Life Promotion. Music Maker and Sky Tapper.
Was it? Okay, and was it a lock-off?
Pretty much was.
Wow. So hold on. By the way, King's TrendSetta has the record in Fort Lauderdale for the quickest lock-off. Talk to us about that.
Eh?
Talk to us about the recent lock-off that took 10 minutes.
Well, you know, them say small and step down big tree. I just say go.
Whoa, who you clashing? Who's the song you was clashing?
Twin Tower.
Wow.
Big up Twin Tower things.
Wow.
You're trying to think, but
I never seen a lock off so fast, 10 minutes and it was done.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so what you got coming up? You got some clashes coming up?
Yeah, we have something that come up, but it come like the man in my run. King and Master run.
Oh!
Couple of son run. Reach out to them, fly reach out to them, and them turn on the date.
And you understand?
And I want to ask one last question. If there was one sound you really wanted to kill, which song would that be?
Well, me not see me a jump the line but them say cannabis. So maybe take the cannabis dance and then go. Me not jump the gun.
Oh, you're okay.
What the heck King of say jump the gun and get fuck.
Yes. Yeah.
Sorry for the indecent language, but them get it.
Alright. So anyway, no further delay, King TrendSetta.
No one under now. The headphone on work, we can't hear nothing. The shortage. Majesty and money, you know, you're supposed to buy a good controller. They go fit now. Watch out, we can't hear nothing.
They stumble down.
No, me can't hear nothing.
Make a big TrendSetta. You don't know where I go get away when everything about to mash up every song boy. Big up Andrew, big up Mega, big up VG, Mr. Terra, Mr. Scotch, Mr. E-Style. Ganja to the T. Come cross, come smooth punch, TrendSetta, you know we're getting better. Are you mean? Oi. We have no mercy. Step on the immediate sound. The Lord is our light and our salvation. Till I whom shall TrendSetta fear, Lord. Now when the maiden sound boy come to try and eat up our flesh, then they stumble down and fell. And now TrendSetta goes out of hell. We break them spell. Rasta know that doves would tell. We bust out of hell. We break them spell. Rasta know the doves would tell. Doves would tell.
There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your head, TrendSetta. Be conscious, TrendSetta. And by your works it shall surely be paid. Big up yourself. Never try this only the under. TrendSetta who's got the title. I wanna sit high and it looks down low. And if you ever this only the under, the sound who's got the title, and you'll be someone that he don't.
I like them said. I said the wicked sound will have to fall. TrendSetta sound will have to stand tall. And the wrong sound them got calm. I know them back against the wall and fall. Said the wicked sound will have to fall. TrendSetta sound will have to stand tall. Put the 100 them got calm. And this DJ a fall. Boom. One answer with the one them and them never want listen. Them know this TrendSetta with the blessing. Listen to the birds when you hear them a sing. Listen to the leaves along the tree limb. Watch all the fishes in the sea when they swim. Every living thing Africa hear the king. I don't want to from the spring. We are one, still going strong. TrendSetta, a real champion. TrendSetta, pull the trigger and now let go. Cause idiot sound boy, they must have to go. 6'6" or 0 below. TrendSetta, yeah, how we start the show. We kill sound, and we never back down. TrendSetta, the real killer sound. Kill sound boy from town to town. Ooh, yeah. King TrendSetta sound, it's for murder some boy right away. King TrendSetta for the line. Kill him, I spray. King TrendSetta you design. For murder some right away. TrendSetta sound kill them every time. I kill him, I spray. King sound right away. Alright, all darkness must pick up these guns, them a bust up. But them and them a stop up. Stone stand for a couple, the tractor can't. Police can't rough it back up.
them want take the trophy. When them know say, yes, them walk out, we shoot them dead. Straight to glory, kill sound every time. Right away, King TrendSetta sound from Lauderdale. Never swear. Guess who's killing a sound? A TrendSetta, starting the wine. Guess who's mad in the dance? TrendSetta, the brother sound. Oh, I can see you coming from studio with some dub play. And the selector coming over the hills with some brand new for you. Say in time like this, we not run with no jump and sound. So if you can't stand the heat, come out of the dance, little sound boy. Because the dope that you got to save your life. See the dope jump on and say you lose your life. I mean say rock-a-kang-kang, they pop down at the dance. He that so can test me all about. We're the crown all year round. TrendSetta, guess who's killing a sound? Cause it's a TrendSetta, starting me wide. Guess who's mad in the dance? TrendSetta, the brother sound.
Anyway, oh, them come and tell me say them bad and them wicked. Me check it out and them have some big guns stupid. And if them have a one gun fit through them can this TrendSetta. Now the cocoa tango through me tell them. Come and tell me say them wicked and bad. Me check it out and them have some big gun bad. And if them have a one gun fit through them can this TrendSetta.
King TrendSetta murder sound. Oh God, someone with some clown. King TrendSetta, yes, you go kill them down. Well, alright then, step on the journey where Jah put me. Only for things we witness. When TrendSetta clash, oh yes, we kill them like a sickness. Yes, we kill them up with business. So fling them on a hit list. Make big double circle around them. Yeah, you like a frisbee. Unsolved mystery, idiot sound can't be sweet. Message in the music, yes, TrendSetta, I go fix it and say word sound. Power play them double if you with me. I go make them trippy, yes, TrendSetta create the history. I say, what them I go do when TrendSetta play? Don't they know? Say we murder, jump and everything. Oh gosh, oh yes, I say, what them I go do when TrendSetta jump? Don't they know? Say we have to murder, jump.
Alright, jump. Critics don't leave I alone. So them can't get the fire to put my round. Critics don't leave I alone. It wasn't I alone who killed your sound. Some boy won't leave us alone. Them was a King TrendSetta kill them sound. Critics don't leave I alone. No. Well, we got judgment on it, so we got put them on news. But we find out the one that them confused. I did the road in the road. Don't for them go choose. Don't for them go gamble with them life and lose. But the whole of them got them just stop confused. Them use, abuse, and then them refuse. Down the green and partner and the excuse. Everything they love, everything they love.
This is what I'm about a man and boy. Can't come good in a evening. So while you're some boy I go on with boy, TrendSetta go give you a beating. TrendSetta come to show you a sign. Evil sign was in this time. Whether you're deaf or you're blind, TrendSetta will beat you anytime. TrendSetta sound a carry the world. Must have been travel the road. King TrendSetta sound a carry the world. Must have been travel the road. TrendSetta sound a carry the world. Must have been travel the road. TrendSetta touch the road. Someone got in the road. Who could it be? No Lord. Who could it be? No yeah. Who could it be now? Try to test TrendSetta sound. No. Who could it be? No Lord. Who could it be? No yeah. Who could it be now? Yeah.
The big bad sound is in town again, Lord. King TrendSetta again. The bigger bad sound is in town, they say. King TrendSetta, my friend. We're better than some, better than thousand. We're better than Phantom and Batman. We're better than the Exterminator. King TrendSetta, every song destroyer. There's no exception to the rule. Some boy come and rolling King TrendSetta school. And if you can't, I better you go see the fool. The big bad sound is in town again, Lord. King TrendSetta again. The big bad sound is in town, they say. King TrendSetta, my friend.
So, hey, when you say talking parrot, in a minute, say go ask him what that. King TrendSetta go down them in a open space. Big 45 shot a open face. We know in people and no roping case. And a figure fly this on a choking case. Gunshot a fly through them fucking face. Make them know say this on a joking case. When them a sports shield, well we sporting case. And I'm not so much a King TrendSetta, you don't know. So I said, yeah, I say we say the trend down to Mr. Fort Lauderdale. Watching the center, watching the bamboo. Guyana, what am I talking? You're gonna terror, you're gonna mega. You're gonna reach, you're gonna Supa, you're gonna East Side. What am I dealing with? Alright. Sound on the dead again. Now beg your friend. TrendSetta don't set the trend, yeah. So, hey, when you say talking parrot, in a mill, me say go ask him what that. Oh, if you have man a style him as faggot. Better him go cool and quiet. TrendSetta say we know him and them long talking. Anyway you see the real then go ask him. First we on the whole entourage marching. Everything will be scorching. Them claim say them bad. Say no claim bad man. Then he go get the best of them. Them claim say them bad. Say proclaim bad man. Them have to depend on themselves a friend. Them claim say them bad. Self-proclaim bad man, them he go get the best of them. Them claim say them bad. Self-proclaim bad man, not even they wanna say them can defend. Fool, well you can walk, you walk, you walk. Little fool, you can talk, you talk, you talk. Man tough, but I soft, you soft, you soft. Every this TrendSetta, you a go get right off. Fool, talk, you talk, you talk. In a mill you can walk, you walk, you walk. Man tough, but you soft, you soft, you soft. This King TrendSetta, you go get right off.
One good, tell them King TrendSetta. When them say we are so looking like we last year. When the last we just are looking at with that. And bring some little jump and let them a pass. Now when they sound perfect, them sound like a lock off. And before that everything then up sound up wear a mask, yeah. Watch them really as them try go round the bus, yeah, yeah. Loyalty come with the pass and half the ox and all them sound they have to last. But anytime you dub go big King TrendSetta, them we take you for a fool. And this is why we are kill jump on. King TrendSetta kill jump on, yeah, yeah. And we can't do just no sound when we remember what them do, man. This is why we are kill jump on. King TrendSetta kill jump on.
Hey DJ, how we set the trend? One them wreck it and then we set the trend. In style, how we set the trend? King TrendSetta sound of murder. Well if them feel them I got this TrendSetta sound and get where them wrong. King TrendSetta we set the trend. Boy this and them dead, we are the real sound class champion. Them think that them alone can play song and we'll be broken when them walk out. But then they got King TrendSetta kill some boy tonight. Don't come back. Them dead, them dead. Don't come back. Shot in the feelings, shot in the head, boy. Don't come back. Murder, 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 murder. Don't come back. And you know make that baby beat you, Lord, it a go beat you. Jeez.
Jump and sound for no second shot of a head. One leg up, in a turn. The guy. TrendSetta we a murder sound again. Jump and sound a go die. Oh na na na, yeah. In a long, long time now. TrendSetta we a play dub plates like this. Different vibes in the air when we murder sound again. Happiness on every face. Me say jump and I get erased. Smile and greet with real friends. Boy in the sound this we slaughter them. Oh yeah. And they say gun, 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 them gun. Kill jump and like this with the music. Cheer up. The guy.
TrendSetta we are murder sound again. And sound will die. Oh, yes. In a long, long time now, TrendSetta we have played dub plates like this. Different vibes in the air when we murder sound again. Happiness on every face. Me say jump and I get erased. Smile and greet with real friends, but in the sound this we slaughter them. Oh yeah. And me say dum 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 dum. Keep jump and like this with the music again. Don't play it and make the music again. TrendSetta sound, so now. Think TrendSetta we are started jump and the music again. Think TrendSetta now go see a brother.
When you turn and you walk through that door, we're gonna play tune some more. Na 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 na. King TrendSetta play tune some more. Hey, this is not regular. It's King Cherry. This is not regular. It's King TrendSetta sound. Which sound of my complaints? We set the trend. Christopher Ellis, King Mega, Super Dre, DJ, Selector Terra, Ricky, E-Style, Deadly, Medley. Hey! King TrendSetta champion sound again. Everybody knows. Oh, they know. Yes, yeah. When you turn and you walk through that door, we're gonna play tune some more. Na 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 na. King TrendSetta play tune some more. When you try this, we will make you cry. Your sound will die. I said your sound will die. So listen to me while I say to you, King TrendSetta sound is killing you. Everybody know, they know. All this is they know, and they know. King TrendSetta champion sound. Oh, we wear the crown. Look, King TrendSetta sound is our sound. We set the trend. It's Christopher Ellis. Yes, original. Sound the mighty. Sure. Look, you think we'll kill you for just one thing? The them tin fan sounds it made. King TrendSetta champion sound again. Everybody knows. Oh, they know. Yes, yeah. When you turn and you walk through that door, we're gonna play tune some more. Na 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 na. King TrendSetta play tune some more. When you try this, we will make you cry. Your sound will die. I said your sound will die. So listen to me while I say to you, King TrendSetta sound is killing you. Everybody know, they know. All this is they know, and they know. King TrendSetta champion sound. Oh, we wear the crown. Look, King TrendSetta sound is our sound. We set the trend. It's Christopher Ellis. Yes, original. Sound the mighty. Sure. Look, you think we'll kill you for just one thing? To them tin fan sounds it may be the way it seems, but we love the way how King TrendSetta play. The people love you, the patrons, the ladies, they truly love the way you spin. Ain't that a killing sounds? For true, I tell you, ain't we killing sounds? For true, we're champions.
beat up round town, you don't know the clown run. You don't know this is the original champion King TrendSetta alongside Mega, BJ, Terra, Super Dre, S-Style, Ricky, big up yourself like that. All the King TrendSetta crew. You don't know it's your boy Roger Robbins. That's it. A someone dead tonight. Sound dead. I see you sound from far.
Hold up. Play it again.
Yeah, when it's time to beat up round town, you don't know the clown run. You don't know this is the original champion King TrendSetta alongside Mega, BJ, Terra, Super Dre, S-Style, Ricky, big up yourself like that. All the King TrendSetta. You don't know it's your boy Roger Robbins. That's it. A someone dead tonight. Sound dead. I see you sound from far, knowing not who they are. Imagination running wild. Well, Marguerite's got this burning desire to gun us on boy. Try to test, you'll get destroyed. So we'll kill them slow to concentrate and let them know just what it takes. Oh, you gotta know and be so you just take it slow, just take it slow.
Yeah, whoa. TrendSetta, show off. Whoa, wrong letter. Whoa. You gotta calm down.
TrendSetta.
I tell you, Dre.
As soon as Mega walk in and start playing a big tune them.
Yo, Mega. Dre don't sell of a bar. You can't let Dre, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You can't let Dre just come up here and just.
If you ask my opinion. Alright, never mind.
You want to ask
hold on before we say anything else. Everybody online. Everybody having a good time or what?
Shout out to everybody online.
There's a lot of people online.
Fire emoji. Put some more people online though.
People have said, and there's people that said,
more people
hold on. There's people that said they never knew how Fort Lauderdale's so bad.
Oh, what?
Exactly.
How did I find out?
Because we're the small little city in the United States of America.
The whole United States of America.
So big up to the New York Sound, them buds.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
I gotta go to New York. Yeah, that other Sound Fest.
That Sound Fest.
The Church of Cold Sound Fest.
Yes.
But that wasn't in Fort Lauderdale.
Jimmy was there, Floyd was there, Big Life was there, TrendSetta was there.
I think they was trying to play, but other Sound wouldn't let them play.
Well, they had their chance. Yo, the thing about it was, they was bragging from early. Oh, I'm going on Florida for teaching, so.
Yeah.
It kind of looked sad when they had to pack their sound up before the sun went down. But hey, it's
anyway, let's pick up the sponsor then.
Alright, sponsor time.
Don't forget, Big Life Promotion presents Lauderdale Massacre, Rhythm Force versus Stereo 5, September 14th, 2024. Top tier restaurant.
Yes.
Also, don't forget, August 6th, Tree Sound in one big lawn at Top Tier. You have 6-pack, you have New Vision, and you have April 6th.
April 6th.
What I said, March?
Hey, Big Life, give away some free ticket, man.
My bad.
Stop being shit.
Yeah, well, Florida give away some free tickets. So.
Yeah, free ticket, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so anyway, big up to the rest of the song. I've got a lot of songs getting ready to play.
August 6th, Top Tier.
But anyway,
April 6th.
We want to take time to give everybody.
April 6th.
April 6th, guys. Everybody know already. Everybody know already.
And Top Tier, April 6th.
Listen.
Where the flag at? What country boy at?
He's not here.
He's not here. All right.
Never mind. Right. Whoever's not here, we're not going to mention.
Okay.
We should have been here. Anyway, coming up next.
Yes.
We have to take time to talk about this.
Foundation, groundation.
Yes, listen. Big up to the sounds that are here.
Yes.
But we like to take time to big up Sequence Sound. The original Sequence Sound. Now, we got to talk about this first before we let them play, right?
Right.
Sequence has been around for a very, very long time, and it killed enough sound back in the days.
Yes.
And us young folks, right?
Yes, the young ones. Yeah.
Watch and we'll learn.
A couple things, a lot of things.
Learn how to mix the tune them.
Big up Lodi.
And talk and play
45.
Big up Byron.
Snappy B.
Snappy B.
And tune up the song. Jimmy Sequence.
Jimmy Sequence.
So recently, everybody, Sequence have received a Lifetime Achievement Award for sound systems.
Say what is the meaning of You only get a few seconds for put your play right here on the dance floor. In any sound sequence ever ready. Boxes are those, say something, but big up and boxes are those, say some boxes are LP. They go rap-a-pam-pam, here rap-a-pam-pam, rap-a-pam-pam, here rap-a-pam-pam, rap-a-pam-pam, here rap-a-pam-pam, rap-a-pam-pam, here rap-a-pam-pam. Say what is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? Tell them the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam. Pam-pam, shot the coach and we rap-a-pam-pam. I saw get drop a sequence of a bam bam. I know you like Byron, Jimmy, I know they say I'm Kangal and Wayne. There's no secrets, man, them man about the sound 24/7. Fly over yard and big up things, man, saying X amount of respect, white mice, big things, man, saying. But big up, all over big up, man. Gary, don't worry yourself, you know. I know big things, saying Jason, but it, Lord. Sound is gonna die tonight, boy. Sound is gonna die tonight. Shouldn't that sequence out? The sound of the top of that sequence. Some big things, saying. I know you like Byron, Jimmy, I know they say I'm Kangal and Wayne. There's no secrets, man. Them man about the sound 24/7, man. Fly over yard and big up things, man. Saying X amount of respect, white mice, big things, man. Saying, well, big up, all over big up, man. Gary, don't worry yourself, you know. I know big things, saying Jason, but it, Lord. Sound is gonna die tonight, boy. Sound is gonna die tonight. Shouldn't that sequence out? Now you home. The sound of the top of better than sequence sound. The sound of the top of better than this one. The sound of the top of better than sequence sound. The sound of the top of better than this one. If I don't catch them, I deal with them. We keep it to themselves away. Poison. If I don't catch them, I deal with them. We keep it to themselves away. Poison. Oh, simple time, yes, we are no simple time, no. Simple time, yes, we are no simple time. Easy Byron, and you are no simple time. Like a Mr. Jimmy, you are no simple time. Easy Mr. Lode, you are no simple time. Easy Kangala, you are no simple time. Second Wayne, you are no simple time. Easy White Mice, you are no simple time. Second Gary Jason, you are no simple time. Sequence Massive, them are no simple time. If I don't catch them, I deal with them. We keep it to themselves away. Poison. And if it up the sound clash, sequence sound of the medicine. It is. What's the meaning? What's the meaning of flash? What's the meaning? What's the meaning of flash?
See? Oh, that's the 45 beat. Yeah! Oh, my soul is a champion. Anything that you can do, my son can do it better. We are the roughest. Tell us sequence, you are the toughest. You will never play what we play. Someone watch your space and want you to get we are the roughest. Sequence, you are the toughest. Pick up your open sound and then you want you to get. Pick up your open sound and don't try to test it and we are the roughest. Somebody are the roughest. Anything that you can play, sequence can play it better. We are the roughest. Somebody are the toughest. Never you try to do the champion sound. Don't you know my sound make the pounds gather round? We are the roughest. Worldwide and we are the roughest. Someone don't you know that we are the toughest. No hidden sound can test the champion. The champion sound for years and years and years. Sequence rough. Electra man.
sound, you think you're trouble to my sound of the general. Free marshal and my sound is down partial. I put a big sound or a small sound, speakers I go dust them down. After we play 45 to keep the people them alive. We play disco mix, watch them a jump and a sing. We play dubstep, keep them walking to the beat of what them really want. Tell me what they really want, people. Tell me what they really want. Oh yeah, Papa be tell me what you to tell me.
Big bad sequence, I know some who have tech friends that will burn down the residence. Watch out. And big bad star black, I said that I don't see it, you know. Brand balance hold it. This a one a bargain, Secret sound a bargain. Champion sound, yeah. So you will get more than your bargain for. Sequence will give you more than your bargain for. Lord have mercy, you will get more than your bargain for. A sequence will give you more.
Yo. Foundation, groundation, secret sound in the building. Put some respect on this sound name. Alright? Because when I forwarded from New York City to Florida, 19th Street, down this street at a warehouse, I seen certain artists DJing. Back in the good old days, you would see Dennis Brown, you would see Supa Cat, you would see Bojo. You'd be surprised. You go to sequence dance and they just DJing. You're like, wait, what's going on?
I know some more. Watch out. And big bad star black, I said that I don't see it, you know.
Easy Laura.
This a one a bargain. Secret sound a bargain.
Give a hard target family.
Champion sound.
Honey, listening sound. Be able to say.
You will get more than your bargain for.
We got a Supa Sound in the building. Smoking fire there. Hot target.
Than your bargain for.
We're there, license guaranteed.
You will get more than your bargain.
TrendSetta. Be able to say.
Sequence will give you more than your bargain for. But tell them secret sound that that's your bargain for. And strictly rub a dub away your bargain for. Dance all business where you're bargain for. To kill a song, what that's your bargain for.
Those of everybody on the stream right now, call a friend, tell a friend. Log on to YouTube, log on to Majesty Sound page on YouTube. We're right here, Soundfest, large abroad. Easy Sean, Remy, maximum respect for General.
In the seed of in the inspiration, from the version.
Woman, not talk about sex or big up no gunman. Then I boost me sound, put it for #1. So me black in the way, just a 5 sequence. We play for the heart, we no play for the chart. Conscious lyrics, but a sound boy heart. Conscious lyrics make you get got to make it like it is, yeah. And everyone should have going. And everyone should have honor him. And everyone should have know him. Sequence, Rastafari.
Sequence sound in a class by themselves. Kill it, jump and sound, stay at night. Anything that's get white, run it on them, Alex, Lauderdale, Byron, and Jimmy. You see me? Run it. Have you some idea?
Yeah, no, son, and come on, I don't know. Sequence the champion. Come class.
Well, what is that king? Sequence on a king, some say. We say, what about the man in some boy? Can't come good in the evening. And you some boy I go on with. Sequence sound come to give you a beat. Say sequence sound to show you a sign. Evil sound boys in this time. Whether you're deaf or you blind, sequence sound will kill you anytime. Say sequence sound I carry the world well. Must have it traveled around. And sequence sound I carry the world well. Must have it traveled around. When sequence sound touch the road, them two box fell overload. When them touch the road, somebody got in a boat. Well, them can't sequence want some song, but someone never wants to listen. Nobody think that my one with Sean and Alex come to see them on the Let me go myself, Alex, Lauderdale, Byron, Jimmy, and Sean. Turn it on. Well, sequence on a king, sweet. Now sequence is the sound that plays not about classical dubs, killing jump and sounds classically. And this is Lucian at the messenger, mashing up jump and sound, leaving them tragically. Now big up yourself, Sean, Alex, Lauderdale, Byron, and Jimmy. And the messenger, the Kabbalah. Take it away. Broken-hearted sound boy, turning into dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all. After so many dubs that sequence sound plays, sound boys living in fear, wondering if and where he's gonna disappear. Whoa, guess what's happening? Sequence sound is playing. Watch him as them raining. Sound boys have to flee. Whoa, guess what's happening? Sequence sound is playing. Watch him as them raining. Straight to a sound boys have to flee. Big up yourself, man, like Sean, Alex, Lauderdale, Byron, and Jimmy. And the messenger, come on. Finish them. Finish them. Up the mountains as the masses, whatever the change, reduces the big up plates for that sequence sound. Then hits after hits, giving some words, hits after hits. Finish them. Well done. Sequence give them a seed about gasket. Another soul boy kick the bucket. Then come a dance all like one like them hard. Sequence sound kill them like a dog. Sequence sound give them a seed about gasket. Another jump and kick the bucket. Them come a dance all like one like them hard. Sequence and them over graveyard. Sequence sound play them so hard. This a murder in a the dance hall, Lord. Heroes something pan sound by a ball. They can take it at all. The planes are flying just like a guillotine. Soon boys are wondering if they live to see a morning. Well, sequence give them a seed about gasket. Another soon boy kick the bucket. Them come a dance all about like them out. Sequence sound kill them like a dog. Sequence give them a seed about gasket.
See, I'm a Byron, I'm a Jimmy, I'm a Lauderdale. Yeah man, next up I'm going to several times, next us, Father. Yeah, ooh yeah, sequence of sound. Love so best to sleep. Then I feel say Byron, I say Jimmy. I say Lodi, big up yourself, brother, I say Lexus. Yeah, man, Dexter, baby, big up. Check. Tonight is your judgment night. There's no one with the turn himself. With it. Sequence kill you on the front line. And Lord, they ask me what the sequence of. Shout out to all my people online right now. Log it in. Sequence kill up them sound. Call a friend, tell a friend. We're live. Sequence sound is alright. If I wake up and work for free, yeah. If I wake up, I see destruction, poverty. Oh my God. And I feel like I want more. I'm gonna say sequence so much right on for Lodi Sound. I want to be friend now. I'm gonna say Byron, I'm gonna say Lodi, I'm gonna say Jimmy. Patrick Lexus, Bob. I said Sean, yeah man, run it off, you know, come on, laugh. Lots of Patrick Lexus, every day, youth. La 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 la, la 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 la. Lauderdale Sound, Sequence on a beat. Tell the what's the wall. Sequence wanted to know, but I shouldn't take this flash. The devil took this flash, someone burn smart. Now you will see why them big cemetery get the sequence so bad. Gonna get casket and body bag. Shouldn't be no hard to sequence, no. Shouldn't be no hard to do. Shouldn't be no hard to sequence, no. Shouldn't be no hard to do. Does make you blind as a bat. Now I can see with thoughts some sorrow special, like only song for me. You've been telling me lies with enough foolish alibis. I'll do one with the terror themselves. Recognize. Foundation, sequence on a beat. Shouldn't bring no heart to sequence, no. Shouldn't bring no heart to live. Sequence, shouldn't bring no heart to sequence, no. Next everything for the world, but Lodi, I'm gonna Jimmy, Patrick Lexus, I'm gonna lots of all my people is on the stream right now. Call a friend, tell a friend. We got about 200 people on the live right now. Sequence, you jump on some for me. You live on the people.
Now I come from
you wanna brag, you know?
Yeah, I don't say guys.
Kill young arc, you know?
Yeah, that's
so you go. So any clashes on the way?
Yeah, we have something come up in October, but we don't talk about it.
Yeah.
Now I go to Ray. See me I come from, but I knew you had a one that too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that one there will be something epic still. See me?
Oh yeah, because you got Sour in New York City.
Yeah man. And what are we at there?
Alright.
Yeah, because it don't go. I have to represent the big machine. You see me I say?
That was it. Well, this is Johnny Bot for the Hard Target family, and he's come to represent for South Florida, Fort Lauderdale Sound Fest. Everyone want to test? Everything dead. That was said. So, Johnny Bob, Hard Target family, kick it off in general.
Yo man, teaching about boost up the things so much, I know my to screw on, so now what I would see? Alright, so we'll start still.
Hard Target and business. Straight up, you see, big up yourself, Will, and then you say I saw the thing set up, kill switch. Big up yourself, go on, them you know, see, there. I saw the thing set up, you see, watching up. Peace, attack. Watching out, them you know, see what, hey, free school, big up on yourself, you know, see some things that I represent. Then you know, Hard Target. You see which you watching up. Attack, go on, them you know this, straight up, a prospect. Norwich, them you know, Hard Target, so. Respect Hard Targets, cause them not sell out. Jump and fuck themselves so we kill them out. Whether we there yard or broad, Hard Target a lock down the area. Jump and cause we not afraid. Hard Target drop the dubs them like a grenade. Represent all over the world. Quad Hard Target a lock the ear. Come kill sound. Hard Target a murder jump and sound. Yeah. Yeah, lock it all over the acre in a prospect. Straight all abroad, all over set. The kill sound. Hard Target, a murder jump and sound. Yeah.
kill another sound and put him on the ground. Bangaran sound, we are gonna kill another sound and put him on the ground. Bangaran sound, we are gonna kill another sound and put him on the ground. Bangaran sound, we are gonna kill another sound. Bangaran sound, this is our target. Make all pump that flow like a river. This is our target sound. And them a champion. We take you away, captivity, captivity. Now tie up the box of sound, a sound.
Killer.
This is the killer hard target sound. Everybody knows it's a champion sound. And there's nothing in the world that can stop them. Stop them surviving. Cause anywhere we go, you know how we roll. We have this song first, we took it soon. Oh yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right. Hard target sound is the greatest. No heater sound can taste this. Hard target sound, I'm the killer. No timber sound can this.
Hard target sound of the drop shot to kill some guy. Try all they want, they couldn't conquer. We kill some by day, kill them at night, Lord. Champion sound, catch a fire now. Hard target sound of the drop shot to kill some. Try all they want, they can't conquer. We should. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Them better overstand now. We looking at the place with hard target sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, and then the sound is sound. One of them on the back like hard target sound. I just want to represent this.
I'm so glad hard target can play for me anytime. Yes, let me say that my chips went down. Almost next to words. You were the cushion when I fell. Musically, you quenched my thirst. Respect to you, hard target. Respect every time. Respect me straight. Must have had me on your mind. Respect to you, hard target.
Then the hard target, onto the clues. The very first time we did hard target, they said you sound so fine. I told I didn't jump and sound by hard target, so I did them all the time. Then it's some they tried to test me.
Think all the calm before the storm, you know?
Tonight, it's some they tried to play me. I'm gonna lose them alive. Hard target sound will kill it. Somebody anyway. Don't test me now. Hard target sound.
Yeah. Some guys are gonna say I can't. No, I can't. I can't. Hard target, kill that sound. Kill them goodbye. Every dog you play, a guy can't reply. They wanna say I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't.
kill them, yes. And now way up to New York City, they go listen our target to kill somebody, then we murder them, go stop them. We are the wickedest sound. Murder them, you are the baddest sound. Love, just love. It's a hard target on the murder day. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is our target attack. Some call it Spanish Town, but this is our target rap. Them days, the rap become test, we wouldn't dead. Our target just a murder them.
They can't earn a certain.
They always keep trying. As they try, they die. It's 10 song run away. They never know us, so they hard target play.
I know it's a seven big sound up on the land, and see where I come from.
Down, but this is our target rap.
But I don't know that feature one rhythm, you see me?
They don't know some right to me, so murder them. The sound killer. Yes, we are the sound killer. Sing to the sound coming now. We hear our contest sound. But them from country and not them run town. Them idiot sound they are come around. Yes, we are the sound killer. Sound killer. Sound
That's some of the comments that John will come up. There's some different artists, you know? Nah, rush it.
We came on jump and sound. We came on idiot sound. Oh gosh, with 100 bucks of chocolate, I thought they killed them sound, them idiot sound. With 100 bucks of chocolate, we murder one DB sound, one DB sound. Some boy keep running up his mouth all over town. They talking this, they talking that all over the place. Oh yeah. When our targets start to play, them have to run away. Run away. And so we kill them. And so we kill them and come back around. Yeah. With our
Here's one life. Yo, get clap. Alright? Go watch them then. Well then it's all feel them bad like a steel plate line off them chest. Well I hard target them kill test. Come this murderer when I'm no mercy, they must not regret. And I'm built up a shot them sound again. Well I don't feel them bad like them take Johnny Bob to your fraud. Who them in and see them bad God. Well I see them front of them, fresh shoot them dead like a dog. Hard target cause they call me water. Them play big and come and run up them out. Come in and they crash out them competition.
And I'm saying now, you see that sound now? Sound with a difference, you see where I come from. When we play tune different, you see?
The solution. Out in the garden, we do give thanks for what you've done. For the big sound, hard target sound.
Hard target sound. Oh, love.
What's the man comes to lose shit?
All the things
thank you for the blessings in my life.
For all the off-target fans.
Off-target sound, the roughest sound in town. Yeah. Cause if I love you and I want you to feel some sound.
Off-target, you're a champion. Yes, sir, can.
Why someone come a Chopper Junior, you know?
Off-target, you're the best. Off-target, the way. The way, and every day. Oh, when off-target started to play, and the DJ started playing, I still run away. I saw boy run away. Run away, I see.
Hey, watch out now. Hey, follow me now. Off-target. We kill them into an after-talk. Stay back one. Off-target. Give them a clip full. Out on them and tick. Have them like a rifle. Mix it and shot to hear some sun. Why? Love the watch it, chatting like a peeping drama mix. With a motor massive. Off-target the original.
When God earliest.
Can't mix up Batman so.
We have a sound of so Friday, you see me?
Rent-a-jet no fit ya mix up.
Our Virgin Metrics.
No pattern.
Original city heat that is socks, you know?
I said, love the Turkish caramel and little coffee. Y'all freaky when she ready, but she know when she pick classy. Can't keep out a swim mix with a fatty me and talk about small waist. Big fatty what she said she love. Run it, brother.
Oh, well. I don't get to rule. Oh, Lord. Today's gonna be rough time. Well, I don't get rule. Johnny Bap and so on. Listen, I don't get give them a seed about casting. Another song why kick the bucket.
Come on, all the girls them. Hey, I'm dragging.
Ding ding ding. Ding 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 ding.
Ding ding ding. Ding ding ding. Hey.
So go and back some tune, you know?
Don't grain. Don't bang some boy. Boy. I'm starting to ding 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 ding. I'm starting to gang gang. But we give them birthday game. And we say I target things around the world. Our target is the different song on earth to be. And we say I target against some boy. Our target is the different song on earth to be. So our target is room.
Sit on the tower. Yo, I want to them. Johnny Bap, ha. Now no mercy. Granny teach you never stop. Now no mercy.
Thank God bless, you see me?
Dear Lord, is your light your salvation? Who shall I fear? No evil one. Walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Fear no evil, fear no one. The Lord is our light and our salvation.
After the tender,
I wonder, one day that some sound boy you'd say that them want to go church. We go see Father God, that's ready for the eye.
what is your people I made enough?
30 words.
I understand where you are.
Targeting a concern. Well, it's for you want check the police and get it.
Thank God. Shall God bless them out there, see me?
So that they have campus set them ready, just say it. And they put
I don't know it.
them up.
When I saw the phone idea, I said, I would have taken part up in it. See me I come from.
Those the principle.
And the boy talk to what I don't think of.
They may laugh when I'm talking a gunshot for sound boy anyway anytime right now. Boom.
I don't want to take part up in it.
Loud evil. With the proud eagle. I will say I'm talking sound like modest, you know. Bad people like sound like shut him up, you know. Now boy, no sound. Can't violate all target sound. Yeah man. No boy can't
Showshine, you see me?
And I wanna spin for the boy like the higher. So you feel I'm half no bobby spin like a tire. You want target so hey, the matic a canal. Back and down, but when the head, the camera, hey, claim so you have a bullet up as I saw.
I want to big up Showshine, you know. I know Showshine there, you know what I'm doing, you know?
Squeeze up.
And there's another papa we are doing. Not forgetting about that, you know? Alright. Original war ready, you know? I'm saying I play my last tune and it's done, we go.
Mighty sound call.
So I want to test out that one, you know?
So, I'm telling you make some post, you know, so don't come to life.
The last one is Quest.
Our target, when don't play boss and we gon' share your for what? Yes, our target, you woman going bad. So why you know easy at all? Move the bed, Johnny Bob, Ram dance and load of this, you know. Even if you do the bad like how we try moving up. Even if you do the wicked like how we come rush me up. Even if you do the bad like how we put moving up. Even if you do the wicked like how we come rush me up. Even if you do the bad like how we when up sound a chat and a big up them chest. Both them run things about nobody.
You know, we play two different, you know?
Target so never ready yet. We tell them step aside with no disrespect and target. Give them a scope and a 8 and them 10. On top of that, them won't come disrespect. If a boy violate, we are gonna broke down neck and we know. Response who are send them bad trend. Oh no, that's you know. Even if you do the bad like a word, moving up. Even if you do the wicked, alright.
The quest got thief one more now. I take a one.
Yeah, for a while. Yes, I target you are going ball. So why you don't easy at all?
I know it's how we respond to cartel, man, so you know it.
You know we're going to see them started. Come to the time, little say, some boy take some of the water.
I'll be on one card, the last one.
This is sour, you know you got to win the power to stick them like the fucking heart and now. Alright, listen the war start, and target no one hit done. Me shot a sound in on them heart and disarm them gun. When them are called blood parts, me call it fun. Double, not this and the guns that come. The war start, and target no one hit done. Shot a sound in on them heart and disarm them gun. When them are called blood parts, me call it fun. Double,
what tell them, sir?
Guns that come, no one big war come on. So big guns turn on, white blood twine run on. Brain blow like go on. We attack with no man, Marvin in command. Who no dead must no man, war stand from no one. The hitcher and the booger and the berita and the booger and the rifle and the hammer and the clock and so on. Kill them in the first scene, cause the show must go on. When me hear some boy attack me, just say one bust no down. Loose slip, big ship, action over both around. When the bar is like keep up the dirt sound without a sound. Come whenever you're ready for back, cause the berita is back in my palm and you're ready for dead. Me couldn't be the friend of the carrying a bar. War start, and start.
Alright, I eat that, you know. TJ! Yeah, we need your verse, you know. I don't know, say you're the host, you see me?
Give it up for Johnny Bob! Hard talking family. That was saying,
Yo!
Fort Lauderdale.
Yo!
954.
Hey.
754 for some people.
People on the stream, big up yourself.
Yes, maximum respect.
Listen, people on the stream is realizing that Fort Lauderdale is not as small as people think.
No flipping.
Enough sound with enough gunpowder.
We don't play around.
Yeah, a lot of shooting, a lot of killing.
Right. Because we could shoot after each other.
If you do notice any sound from outside of Fort Lauderdale on clash in Fort Lauderdale,
right.
Dead. Yeah. Instant dead.
If you cross the bridge.
If you cross I-95 and 595.
If you cross 75.
If you cross 595.
826.
Yeah, everybody having a good time or what, man? Yo, listen. All of these sounds are like family, man, like my brothers, man. So shout out to all the sound man, them for real.
Big up Johnny Pop.
You know what I mean? Nobody does start no war thing that we like that. Just play your tune now.
Yeah.
But boy, guys, a lot of tune play already, so
yeah, not so
no song are going out of belly now, for real. Wow.
But this song,
which song we're talking?
Is the Disruption song.
Yeah, so let's talk about disruption for a minute.
Disruption song.
Disruption.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
We're right here.
Yeah.
We have Johnny Quest.
No, man, a Johnny Quest.
Big up Quest.
All right.
I call him Johnny Quest.
All right.
Well, my friend Quest.
All right. See.
And Disruption sound is a sound I know from my high school days. You know, when I was in
Which high school? Dillard?
I was in Dillard.
All right.
Shout out to my Panthers.
Shout out to Shoe Shine.
Yeah, Shoe with the plantation, but you know.
It's a Shoe Shine?
He wouldn't do it for a couple of days.
And them something that Shoe Shine love here?
Yeah, I choose Shoei this is happening. Because if anybody know a Shoei anniversary every year, these sounds play. Last year, TrendSetta played in the 6 Court headquarters. And he was like, yo, Max, I ain't know 6 Court could play till the morning. And I was like, yeah, but this year they kicked me out my own house.
Charlotte side attack, right? 6 Court.
6 Court, plantation. Plantation, you know? Gun station. But anyway, I listen big up the Disruption family members. Alright, you have a guy named Dapper.
Of course.
They have Junior Chin.
Of course.
They have Scoops, if I remember. And there was another couple members, the new ones I can't really recall it because I don't know them, like Danger Marcus and Hamster?
I play possum right now.
Does he fly the wheel?
All right. Nobody this, nobody put this.
No, let me get TrendSetta. I was minding my business, picking up Doppler, and I heard Hamster? But anyway,
all right.
Questions in the building.
Yeah.
Question, ask your question. What was the first big dance for Disruption that you played?
That I played?
Yes, that you played.
I think the first, you're talking about the war clash, not juggling.
The war dance.
I think one of the war dance was at Piccadilly.
Piccadilly?
That was at 441 on Commercial.
Okay, tell me the songs that was in there. I remember.
It was Innocent, Universal.
Whoa. It was who?
Innocent.
And who?
Universal.
And who?
No, Aftershock was the host that time.
Host.
Yeah, he was the host that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he got boxed that night. But anyway, yeah.
Yo, you know,
it's easier.
You know, I left that out too.
Right. That's just too easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some Palm Beach song. It was a nice big event.
Yeah.
All right. That was a big clash dance for me for the first time because that time it was Innocent was Miami and Disruption was Fort Lauderdale. Back then in those days.
At those days.
Yeah, I think I still have the flyer.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Piccadilly.
That used to be a 441 in Commercial.
Right.
That's right behind the gas station.
You sure it wasn't the ballroom behind Piccadilly?
No. The ballroom, right?
Piccadilly. Yeah.
Sometimes I get old, you know.
Yeah.
But
don't worry, I know you was talking about.
You know what I'm talking about.
The ballroom, yeah.
Down the street up the road. From where that place used to be.
Cross street from Tapa.
Club Soda down the street from it.
In Starlight Ballroom. All right.
Yeah, man, from them days.
Who won the dance?
It wasn't Innocent.
No.
It was Universal. And they played a Master Griffin that time.
We're not ready for that story yet.
Yeah,
we ain't ready for that story yet. That story is soon forward. Yeah. The next big dance that Disruption did.
The next big clash is when they had Fire Squad.
Right.
Which was Prodigy, Zeke Dan.
Right. No, Zeke.
Zeke was in it too. Fire Squad. And then they started.
No, I think it's Dexy.
Oh, I'm to the brother.
Anyway.
Fire Squad. This was at 441 Broward.
Chino's, aka Reggae Cafe.
That's when they had the Fire Squad.
Right.
I think Dapper was the one who went and I came there late. Nah, man. It was the Fire Squad.
It was a Fire Squad.
Yeah, Fire Squad that time there.
It was a Fire Squad.
Yeah.
And Fire Starters. I know me on top. Or the Fire Starters. But anyway, Fire Starters versus Disruption.
Yeah, man.
And you won?
Of course.
Jeez.
I told a lie. You're not in there.
Well, I heard Maverick stole the trophy, but that's a different story. Maverick. Big up Maverick. Maverick stole the trophy. Because I went to the radio station the next day and I was like, why is this trophy here? They was like, yo, DJ.
Big station?
Big up the station.
Big station. Was
rest
in
peace,
right?
Rest in peace to Lady D. Lady D.
All right.
That's a different story for a different day. But anyway, who was the last song that you killed?
You could say Waggy, of course. Waggy.
You killed Waggy or you killed Patrick Ewing?
Well, let me tell you something. You see, you did Pana Sound there, Majesty Sound.
Waggy
What are your sound there?
Waggy movements. Waggy movements. All right. Big up Waggy.
Yeah, man, always. Mothers and respect to Waggy.
Yeah.
You know, only China brother, rest of them are Japanese, you know?
All right. Done talk.
Yeah.
Disruption in the building. Of course, representing for the sound, your time, rhythm up.
Alright, so we're on camera and thing, everything good. Right now, nobody now shoot nobody. I want round me a play.
No, we've up a long time, alright.
I want round me a play because I have to go back on my work. You understand? And just because a shoe shine thing me a pass through. TJ Maxx, big up yourself. Big up the whole sound fraternity. Because we not shoot tonight. We at the gun range, but we not shoot after nobody. We are shoot for the wall. You understand? Big up hard target. Me like the last time that we play gunshot off a wall. Big up yourself here. But you said tonight, we're going to unleash some music. And if you not listen to Waggy T Clash, I'm trying to play no song from that. So nobody put me in that. Hear this. Turn me up. Volume up. Don't ever put a handicap sign on this. Turn it up. Alright, see there. Oh!
Yeah, then abroad. I would have DJ Quest come and blaze dapper, just large up. Bunny up some turn around. Dead!
But we start this song.
Some boy we run them dead man. They might tell you man, we kill them dead man. Come in, selector. We're gonna deal with, oh God, yes, 96 degrees in the dance hall. Against disruption. Tell them again, you're in the dance hall. Says it's 96 degrees in the dance hall. 10,000 soundboards on parade, yeah. Taking your line to hear the disruption sound. Oh God, that's the only champion sound. That's it.
Well, I'm telling you, sir, I'm not going to do all the talking, you know, because I'm not shoot nobody, so I'm not a bunch of talking, yeah? But I'm going to play a song, right? I'm going to play a song with Stir-Fry Vice. We can play one of the songs that with Stir-Fry Vice. Listen to the song, yeah.
You see who we're going to feature now? We're going to feature the Prince of Reggae to kill some boy. Hey, D-Brown, deal with it. Love days can never be friends. Oh, no. Here I come, with nothing place and nobody finds. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow the sound of the days of their lives. Baby, no sound, no wish to pay with no tin-can sound. There comes a day, you'll be whipped by disruption, yeah. Ooh, kill another sound now, ooh, disruption, ooh, kill another sound now, ooh, disruption, and it's anointed, and they're coming running over. Surely good.
Big up to everybody on live. You understand me? I say anybody which part you're there, big up yourself. You understand? Whether they're on the live, you understand? And first one see me, big up on yourself all the time. Yeah?
This ocean sound make it nice.
Let us start real off some song from now.
Oh, so nice.
45 minutes, man.
Take it to your friend. Oh, come on and tune in. Disruption sound not such a righty. Cause this a session, yeah, item, Lord. So check seed. No jump and sound them can't run in. Disruption sound keep them running. While the bench is playing, Lord mercy. I miss it. Cool runnings. Disruption sound make the dance so nice. Yeah, miss it. Cool runnings. Them say that yes, some of them are the wheel don't twice. So cool runnings. We make you rock with your woman all night long. Now miss it. Cool runnings. Why DJ press it? I play your favorite song. Disruption sound a separate riding. Now you get so can't even buy it. While the picture is playing.
Yeah, man, nice and easy, and I don't know, you understand? Show shine, I'm not big them up all the time, you understand? I love them something out. When it comes to dub play things, I them thing I love, you understand? But some I can reel out some song that I give you, yeah?
Girl tune! How do I talk about? Yeah!
brain smart and not being clever and book up in a hole. Quest, this is danger Marcus, etc. whatever. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Big sound play. Mr. Quenchula Spencer. Kick it.
Disruption, killer sound for me, yeah. Disruption, killer sound boy for me. He killer sound boy for me. When Jah shine his light out for me, he turns the light out for me. When some open sounds around we, with the planes trying to play with. Disruption, killer sound boy for me.
Well then, never support when the boy them a promote. So them say, well, if I put you know, we try cut me short. Politics and we no vote, so them say we no fi float. Sense of horrific disruption. But them right me man all and hope, say them a go hang me like a boat. We tell them take that to bank, take that to court. We taking over import, export and deport. No mention the park, much less the airport. Now the whole of them vex through it and so disruption along go, we long go.
You know, say disruption sound. Them no fit test react. You know, disruption me say kill them some more, kill some boy some more. Heard of them a dash him out of the dance floor. Kill a sound some more, kill a grump and more.
See me? When disruption sound murder, post a wall and brought them up like snapper. Put up all the with all grabber. Hold them attack, fire back the came back and back to the quest. No like a forgiving me mama, boss blacker. Hold them a try this grabber. Ask them what's the blood clot matter. Them pussy them is under. Cleveland, black run, call me have a lot of disruption. Send them copper. Real big sound, them will know about disruption. Yeah, left shot in your belly. From Florida to Georgia, it locked down already. Alliance, yes, snap and down, never ready. Before them see the gun, them know them done dead already. Quest, put up all your face like ready. Yam your conflict, see that keep that them ready. Them no know this. Disruption, they say
disruption sound. Oh yes, this is a serious time, son boy, you gonna die. And disruption a kill son boy every time. Oh, hey, disruption kill him when rain or fall. Them not say you don't care. You kill them all when sun a shine.
Disruption killer sound. And him a come beat this upside down. Feel good, feel good. Say I feel good. As me see them a run on and down. And then can't play another round. Feel good, feel good. When you chop them with your wits, chop them under them skin. Right out them want test. And them know them can't. Right now, disruption, we just rule up this land. Play up your bad girls and give me girlfriend a chance. Oh, God,
yeah. Disruption run the place. Disruption run the place, yeah. Disruption run the place. Where we kill some boy. We lock them down and get destroyed. Don't test disruption, your boy, yeah. Cause if you're this weak, it ain't no joy, yeah. Where we can't jump on, lock them down with selection. What's on the disruption? Disruption is one for you. You jump on top of you. Good Disruption Sound, you don't know big respect, you don't know man like Quest. Danger Marcus, you don't know. Ian Links, Jack Cure, see it, big respect every time. Junglist, yeah, so it be. Disruption is money for you. You jump on top with you. Good morning. Son boy, you're dead in the morning. I'm in the business who them are. You better bust them skull your star. Yeah. Good morning. They kill us sound in the morning. Disruption in the morning.
But that's so nice and easy, you know. I'm gonna say nobody not dead tonight. I'll be not there after that first round, yeah. Alright, so here I go on. We can play one of Fort Lauderdale anthem. Eh? We're gonna play one of Fort Lauderdale anthem right now.
Oh, Jah, increase our day. That's what I sound when you're there. 7 night sound, there's no L from in Jah. See that? Well, this is Irish Money presenting for Disruption Sound. Also pick up all Atlanta Massive. Gunrise. Also man like Quest. Irish Money presenting.
Fort Lauderdale anthem this, yeah?
Disruption killing them one by one. From all the belly button. Vacillator boy. Yes. I said rat-tat-tat-tat. Disruption fling shot in a sound boy. Hey. Rat-tat-tat-tat. One more sound boy. Drop a disruption. Do that. Leave mama, yes, she's crying.
It's a rat-a-tat, you know?
Yes, he's weeping.
What do you think it's a rat-a-tool,
they're moaning. Disruption still plays.
I'll give you one little speech here. You understand? You have some foreigners. Never tell you the difference between foreign and Jamaica. You understand? You see, a foreign, you can't hurt the animals them. You understand? You have to kind of catch them and make the authorities know, so you catch them and put them away. You understand? We see that Jamaica, when we are kill rat, you understand? We have one big something with a clip on it, and we put a little cheese on it. And we left it in our room. And here something goes so boom! That means that the blood clot rat dead.
Yo, disruption now. Make them know say. Who see them get catching at the rat shop? See the pull up mat block, jump what? Yeah, Amber. One voice and voice I don't represent, you know. Disruption sound, yeah. True like West.
Hospital but work, you know.
All Atlanta, all Florida, you know. 4th generation, yeah. Even though I'm not talking bad man sound number one, you know, yeah.
But some not play no song off of the CD. Look, you can watch YouTube till morning.
Disruption now. Let them know say. Who see them get catching at the rat shop? See the pull up mat block, jump up, clap, and a 9 boys party can. Fat shot shoot it in a face and we see the head top pop. Man I get broke up with the rifle a clap.
I'm gonna send out a prayer for everybody here tonight, you understand? We're now on the roof over our head. So me I gonna ask Master God something.
I'm ride over road, so Emperor Selassie, I them your road, it's a rugged and steep to kill Trump and it is a most. For us to take on this a trophy, same so we see it, we say kill Trump and sound. You know say disruption, and the majesty in the zone.
How many days are not paying for ladies in the live? Come on, ladies in the live and watch the disruption, watch it!
Girl, I love to see you when you dress up. Yes, up, I got it out for you. Don't think I'm rude when I'm all to you.
Boy, yeah, disruption. Disruption.
If I got to do what I gotta do, I gotta do what I gotta do.
Hey, well, if I want, make it start then. Disruption ain't no picture, we no big friend. Jump and sound is not a problem. Them a go use him jump and a feed the of them Lord. Disruption, your newly designed, you ain't a boy. If him try, put up a fight. Lots of the plate, you got it. Youngster selection, that kill them with it. You have the roots, man, them skanking. Original, not to them, I'm from nature. Sound and murder.
Dance all right.
I go killer them a 2 by 2. And Kwame I go killer them a 3 by 3. Come get your bad and come me papa loving spree. Me have to sing murder. Disruption sound in the air. Put some gunshot fire. Sound for the disruption international, you know. Oh, you just said disruption put Dublin on your bed. Jump on the jump on. Boy, you just said disruption bus stop on lead. Did I go let you go? If you never diss the program, where did I go let you go? Now we broke your foot and pop your one, where did I go let you go? Got them in now sinking. Sound tonight. Sound I go dead in a beat down blast tonight. We gonna kill a sound tonight. Disruption I go kill sound tonight. Hey, me operator, tell me how do you feel? Won't you play a rubber dub style for me? Play it in a chapter like a 1, 2, 3. Me say you want your dub, you have to ask crazy. Everybody dancing, people keep on saying disruption are the winner tonight. Everybody dancing and the people keep on saying some boy have no dinner tonight. The mighty disruption sound, we have say yo, Danger Marcus. Yeah man, we have say Quest, big up yourself. We have say Chinsu, Ian Links, the whole works, you know what I say yo. Now try to be no hero. See the big long gun we go over your yard, it go kill off your sound and your little dirty dog. This disruption, the boy them big long gun go over them yard, kill off them sound, them are the little dirty fraud. But tell them you are the little dirty fraud.
No mercy, disruption make on them thirsty. The bomber hold them for nothing, son of nursery. And I'm in Percy. Guns out, can't turn on people, life gone. Man, no kill a man and no preacher. Disruption, no one. Guns out and turn on all your man done, life gone. Disruption, you listen on your grave, you be man. Believe so you wicked trespass on the phone. Like you want big one, coke and a Tarracan. Them time they you that's not the only day when you born. Gunshot man and go with them to sickness and scorn. Then farm a drip before they bring the alarm. Disruption, they you cool and them go make we get warm. I pick on them in a million from last night. Then to none, I heard the rumble from the first day he born. And a mercy,
Disruption sound, mighty disruption sound.
Come to them, New York, Miami, Washington DC, come to them.
Sound boy in a tunnel, couldn't see the light. And whenever I look up, I see the mighty disruption sound. Sometimes when I'm standing, see the guy walking by. And my heart will be crying, it in the middle of a smile. Oh, then I climb the hills and hear the strong disruption sound. Crying out cause I was lost, then I hear the strong sound. Heard a small voice saying the flash is over now. Disruption, kill a sound boy somewhere inside the dance. I can hear disruption over me. Come on and kill some free.
Look like you combine the one some no soul in the tunnel. Why you go dead? Tell them no give an argument. Disruption not kill.
You a move she bad, I must have touched you know. You know feel love sweets, sweets and love. You know disruption now big no down the dirt. Sound you can fuck off and low we and go soap and soap. Marcus now big you know a thing. Fuck off with you in the sea man, right with the mighty king.
I don't know where the bumble cloth are going, cause so all this the program and
Broken-hearted sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.